heaven bowed down. Eternal silence torn by grace and truth. The King entered the world wearing humility.
Slaughtered lamb, wounded for me, carried my guilt to the very end. But the cross was not the final point. The empty tomb revealed the supernatural.
What seemed like weakness was power. What seemed like death was life.
He is the Lion of the tribe of Judah. He is the Lamb who died in my place. Majestic in glory, gentle in love, reigns forever, my Savior.
When he roars, creation trembles. When he calls, the heart is healed. Justice and grace flow from the same hand, holy and accessible.
Eternal forgiveness.
Crowned in glory, marked in pain, heaven worships him.